What's up, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach. Today, I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you 11 different applications that you can install just to watch video and make money. There is an assortment of everything for everybody, so it doesn't matter what you like to watch. A lot of this is very popular stuff, so you're not watching a bunch of boring things that you don't like. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure that you're paying close attention. Like I said, I'm gonna have 11 different apps, incredible value for you today. We'll kind of breeze through some of them because I don't wanna make this video too long. However, there is something for everybody here, and you can absolutely get paid just for watching videos. So make sure you're paying close attention to this entire video. Watch it till the very end. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, make sure that you come over here. If this video isn't for you, I have a ton of valuable content that I'm posting to this channel, teaching you several different methods that you can use to start generating income online today. Also, if you're brand new, make sure that you're subscribed. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with weekly videos on how to make money online. I throw in a little bit of marketing mindset, motivational videos, and I'm also teaching you how to make passive income. I share with you my #1 recommendation to make money online. This is a life of freedom where you can quit your job, fire your boss, work from anywhere in the world. If that sounds appealing to you, make sure that you check out this link right here. I've also left a link in the description of the video. It says my #1 recommendation to make money online. So make sure that you check that out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. We got a lot of great content today. Real quickly here, before we get too deep into this video, if you find any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up button, you guys. It helps to get this content out to as many people as possible. It helps to grow my channel, and I am very, very grateful for every like that I get. Also, I want to make sure that it's very clear that you are not going to get rich just watching videos. However, this is a great way to earn some extra side cash, maybe put some food on the table, buy some extra clothes, buy some gifts for some people. This is great for that, but you are not going to get rich doing that. If your intention is to get rich, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation in the description below. Now, this first website that I want to direct your attention to is called Swagbucks. Now, I've talked about Swagbucks before. It's absolutely one of my most favorite methods to make money online. There is so many different ways that you can make money on Swagbucks, but we're gonna be focusing on watching video today. I'll talk about some of the other ones just real quickly here since we're on this website. So this can be done on a laptop, obviously, or a desktop computer. They have an actual web interface, and we're gonna check that out real quick, but they actually have 7 different applications that you can use just to watch video, and it has a variety of different things. So if one doesn't suit your taste, there is 6 other different apps that you can actually check out and get paid just to watch video. So real quickly here, if you're brand new to Swagbucks, what you want to do is make sure that you're signed up and that you've created an account. And I'm going to leave a link to the description to all the websites that we're going to be talking about today. So check out swagbucks.com, create your account, click the sign up button up here, and what's happening on this website is basically they pay out rewards in the form of gift cards and cash for everyday things that you're doing online already anyway. So you're getting paid for things that you're doing anyways. Like I said, we're focusing on watching videos for this video, but you're going to be shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and find great deals to earn points. And then, like I said, you get free gift cards. You redeem your points for free gift cards to earn to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and PayPal. So very easy method to get some free PayPal cash here. So for this video and this video only, we're going to be focusing on watching videos. So you can watch entertaining videos and get free gift cards. You're going to earn Swagbucks that are redeemable for actual gift cards, and you can cash it out for PayPal. Now, if you come down here, they actually have a mobile app, and if you click on mobile apps, it's going to bring you over to their mobile app website, and they actually have, if you see along the bottom here, 7 different applications that you can use just to watch video and make money for doing that. So there is literally something for everybody here. But before we get too deep into this and check out the other apps, I actually want to show you Swagbucks in the Google Play Store here. They have 36,770 reviews. They're rated pretty much 4 stars here, so very, very reputable. That's a lot of people that are very happy here. And I just wanted to point out some of the rewards and stuff that they're affiliated with. They've got Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Macy's, Target, JCPenney, Best Buy, Home Depot, Lowe's, eBay. I mean, everything is on here. All the places where people are shopping are on here. I also really quickly wanted to point out that they have over 15 million members who have already earned over $550 million in free gift cards. So these guys are paying out a lot of money in free gift cards, you guys. These guys are very, very reputable and they pay. So make sure that you really check this out. So jumping back over to their actual website here, swagbucks.com/mobile, we can actually check out every single one of these apps. And what's really cool is they're all separate individual apps, but they're all backed by Swagbucks. So you're gonna be creating your one Swagbucks account, and then you can log into each one of these individual apps with the same credentials. You don't have to create different credentials for all these separate apps. So this first application is called Swagbucks Mobile, and this is their main hub, the main app that they have, and you can do a little bit of everything on this app. You're gonna earn free gift cards when you shop, answer surveys, and watch videos on the go. So you can watch videos through this application right here, but let's check out some of these other applications because we're focusing on watching videos. They have 6 other different applications that you can use that are all backed by Swagbucks, which is really cool because Swagbucks is so large and popular and reputable. So let's check out these other ones that they have available as well. They also have Swagbucks Watch that you can download. This one, however, is only available in the Google Play Store, but you can earn free gift cards when you watch entertaining videos on the go. So you can download this if you have an Android device. They also have movie clips. So if you're into watching different movie clips and stuff, this one's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store, and you earn free gift cards when you watch the latest movie clips and trailers. Really cool stuff right there, especially if you're into movies. I think that's awesome. And then so if you're a big sports fan, they have one that's geared specifically towards sports. If you can earn free gift cards when you watch videos about your favorite sports. And again, available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. And if we actually open up some of these, each one of these is very, very popular. Let's just do one actually. If we open this up in the Apple App Store, you can see here that it's been rated by 465 different people, and it's rated almost 5 stars right there. It's going into the 5-star range. So that's a lot of people that really like this. And if you open up each and every one of these individually, they're all very, very highly rated. So check these out, you guys. Very, very great stuff here. If you're not a sports fan and you like to watch music videos, they have one geared specifically for people that like to watch music videos. You can earn free gift cards watching music videos from your favorite artists. So check that out. This one, however, also again is only available in the Google Play Store. You cannot install this on Apple devices. If you're into lifestyle type stuff, you can watch videos ranging from exciting travel destinations, home decor, food, and fitness, and all focused on personal and family growth. So if you're into stuff like that, you can watch a bunch of videos on that. And then last but not least, they have entertaining videos on the go. This one's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store, more geared towards like movies and stuff like that. So there you have it, 7 different applications, all within Swagbucks, all very popular, all very reputable, great applications. Now I promised you guys 11 different apps that you could watch video with to make money. So we're gonna check out the other 4, but before we do so, I wanna jump back over to Swagbucks' main website right here and just show you all the different ways that you can actually cash out your points and exchange that for gift cards. So if you actually come down to the bottom of their main website here, swagbucks.com, click on all gift cards, and then you can see all the different gift cards that they have right here. They have their featured ones, on sale reward ones. They got Visa gift cards on here, iTunes, and then I like this one down here, obviously the most popular reward cards. If we just click this, it'll pop open all the most popular reward cards that people are cashing out their Swagbucks for. So they got Amazon on here again, PayPal, iTunes, Target, eBay, Dunkin' Donuts, Home Depot, Sam's Club, Lowe's. So all kinds of great places where people are spending their money. This is awesome, you guys. This is my #1 most favorite place to actually make some side cash. Now this next application that you can actually get paid for watching video is called perk.tv. This is available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. It is very, very highly rated. If we actually check this out in the Google Play Store right now, it's been rated by 19,433 people, roughly rated 4 stars here. So very, very reputable. Again, very well liked by a lot of people. This one is really cool because it has a lot of current things, a lot of different things on here that you can watch. You can watch movie trailers, you can watch Netflix trailers, a bunch of different popular videos and stuff, hilarious random stuff, football stuff, celebrity stuff, science and tech. So a very, very, diverse selection of videos that you can watch here. Great place to spend your time making some extra money just watching video. So next up here, we have an application called AppTrailers. And what's really cool about this is if you're a person that likes to play around with applications and install a bunch of different types of apps and tinker around with stuff like that, I know I'm like that, so this is really, really cool to me. Within 30 seconds of watching this video, they show you the complete functionality of an application, and you're gonna get paid reward points that you can actually cash out for gift cards. So let's take a look at this real quickly. You're gonna watch trailers of hot apps and earn reward points. This is available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Just taking a look at this in the Apple App Store real quickly here. They've rated it 4.3 stars. It's rated by 7.7 thousand people. So that's a good majority of people actually checking out this application that like it. So it's very, very well liked. And then if we go back over here, coming down their page here, it basically discusses what's happening here. And like I said, you're going to be watching videos of the newest apps, and then you're going to collect your points and you redeem those points for gift cards. Some of the gift cards that are available to be redeemed are such as the iTunes Music Card, Google Play Store, Starbucks, and then the Amazon gift card as well. So great way to earn some extra money that you can actually cash out for these awesome gift cards just for reviewing some apps. Really, really cool stuff here. So quickly moving on to the next application here. We're going to breeze through this one really quickly because this video is getting too long. But this one is really, really cool. I didn't want to leave this out because you get paid for watching live TV and actually interacting with live programs. So very, very cool here. Let's check this out in the Google Play Store. It's been rated by 120,000 people. Roughly 4 stars here, breaking into the 4 stars there. Very, very cool, very reputable. So what's happening here is you're basically earning points for checking into live TV that's streaming, and then you're going to score bonus points for actually interacting with real live trivia that's going on during these live recordings, and then you're going to get rewards, and you can redeem your perk points for individual app for over 800 different gift cards, prizes, or exchange your points for cash within this powerful prepaid debit card. So you can actually get a prepaid debit card and actually cash out and get paid cash just for watching live TV. And then the whole interacting thing, that's just bonus points. You don't have to do that, but if you want 2 or 3 times the points that you're getting, you can actually interact with the live events that you're watching and double or triple your points just for doing that. So really, really cool here. It's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. And then last but not least, this is an application called Slidejoy. I absolutely love this application. It is very, very reputable. Let's come over and actually look at this in the Google Play Store real quickly. And I want to mention that this is only available for Android devices. You cannot install this on an Apple device. But looking at this in the Google Play Store here, it is rated 4 stars by 96,589 people. So a lot of people rating this app that actually really like it. It's very, very reputable. And basically what's happening here is you're going to have ads on your lock screen, and depending on how you actually swipe on your lock screen, it's going to show you more ads, or it's going to open up your home screen. Now these ads that you're going to see are going to be stories and promotions, and these are stories and promotions that are actually geared towards you and your profile. So it's stuff that you're actually really going to want and like to see. It's not just going to be a bunch of random stuff. So moving down their page here just a little bit further, there's a few other things I wanted to point out. They've been featured on CNBC, CNET, Business Insider Today. They've been featured on Fox. So very, very reputable application here. And what's happening is you want to make sure that you have an actual PayPal account set up, because that's how you're going to be cashing out. You're going to cash out your points directly into PayPal, and then you can transfer that to directly to your bank account if you like. So really, really cool way to make some extra cash just for having some ads on your lock screen that are actually geared towards you. So there you have it, YouTube family. That's 11 different applications that you can install and start watching video today to start making an income online. However, like I said, you will not get rich just watching video. It's a great way, to make some extra income on the side. But if you want life-changing results where you can actually quit your job, live a life of freedom, work from anywhere in the world, fire your boss, stuff like that, make sure that you check out the link directly beneath this video in the description. I left my #1 recommendation to make an income online. Make sure that you check that out today. And then last but not least, if you have not already done so, make sure that you subscribe. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. And I'm coming out with at least 2 videos every single week teaching you great methods to make money online. And then last but not least, if you find any valuable content in this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate every single like that I get. It helps to grow my channel and helps get this content out to as many people as possible. So make sure that you smash that like button. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.